This cryptocurrency project is super underrated, and they launched back in July of 2023. Their ecosystem that they've grown is super impressive. Now, listen, I'm not telling you go run and buy this thing right now, but I want to show you what they've built. I was a day one investor with these guys, and I've witnessed where they came from to where they are now. I did help them with some marketing when they first launched. They've actually come back to me recently and said, "Hey, Zach, can we get another video? People don't know what we're building right now." And I've been following them and tracking them, and I've been updating my community along the way, as we always do with various cryptos that I invest in as kind of a VC style investor. I'm doing a lot more of that now where I'm getting in and getting to know a lot of these projects early on. And then I want to share that information with you guys and get you guys the information that I'm getting. I've been very grateful to come in here in this space in the last 3-4 years and just build connections after connections. It's so critical to network in this space, and you come across some great people. The thing with crypto is, yes, there are some people who take advantage of all of us as investors that aren't in it for the right reasons, but there are more good people. And this is the way I see the world too. And there's a lot of great building happening. And this project has went from this tiny layer 2 to this entire ecosystem. And I want to give you guys an update on what they've got going on. It's called Bitrock. And we are going to take a look at the chart, which, by the way, is super bullish. But their entire ecosystem now is so much more than what it was early on. Bitrock is an Ethereum IBFT 2.0 proof of authority side chain. So here's the thing, guys. These side chains and L2s are massive. We just talked about another one in a video earlier this morning, VSG token. That thing has exploded overnight. And Bitrock has been as steady as it comes from a chart perspective. Here, let me move myself out of the way and you guys can see what I'm talking about. This thing's still sitting at a $16 million market cap. Look at the lock liquidity, almost $2.5 million. Strong holder base, strong volume, and there's a reason why. Because this cryptocurrency project has done nothing but build throughout this bear market. They launched in July, and I mentioned they're a side chain. Now, here's what they bring. Near zero gas fees, near zero native gas fees, and lightning speed block times, on top of having a cost-effective, scalable, and high-speed infrastructure. Bitrock will have a unique multi-chain DEX swap where cryptos can be traded directly on their native chains without the need to use DEXs native to those chains. So it takes all of that work out of the equation, making it easier. And that is what we need. We need this to be an easier process. And they have done a ton with partnerships as well. I mean, look at all of the great companies they have partnered with. This has turned into a really great company, and I'm so glad I found them early on. And I still think it's very early. These L2s and side chains are going to be big in this bull run. They have an NFT marketplace, by the way. They have Rock Swap as well, which is their swap where you can connect your wallet. If you go to their Twitter page, you can see here EVM compatible Ethereum sidechain. And recently, Bitrock Wallet passed its audit. They have submitted the wallet's Android app to the Google Play Store on behalf of the Bitrock Wallet team. You can look forward to getting your hands on Bitrock Wallet for Android soon. They have just continued to just add more utilities. And it says here, just back on March 12th, with more projects continuing to launch by the day on Bitrock chain, an additional avenue for exposure to consider is the Bitrock Project Showcase, hosted on our very own channels. Teams have timed segments to take the Bitrock community and user base through their projects, discuss their plans, and answer questions. They have just been super impressive, guys. They surpassed 7,500 ETH pair holders recently. Their TVL has been on the rise. This is a new L2, and this is great TVL numbers for something that is, a side chain that just continues to organically slowly grow. And they're doing it through offering real utility. And I think that's what makes this company very, very special in Bitrock. And highly encourage you guys to check them out and definitely look at their website. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys to check it out. And of course, you got to love what they've done from a chart standpoint as well. This is the 15-minute. There's the 4-hour. They recently got close to setting new all-time highs. They're sitting just over 23 cents right now. Great tokenomics. Beautiful looking contract as well that we've run through multiple times. There it is, 99 out of 99 on deck score. It is 4% in, 4% out on the tax side of things. And yes, this thing is built on Ethereum. But again, a sidechain that I think is just scratching the surface, guys. I think there's still a lot of room here for great L2 companies and sidechains like this one. So check out all the Bitrock links down below. Shout out to the team. I wanted to continue to talk about them. And this is one we've been invested in since day one, guys. And I'm going to continue to give you guys updates here on their progress. There's just so many freaking opportunities. Don't shy away from opportunities in this space. And network. Meet people in this space. Go to conferences. Reach out to people online. That's the beauty of this space that we're in, guys. It's a fair playing field. We can do as the VCs do. We can go network with the top people. Highly encourage you guys to do it. And anytime I'm meeting great people, I'm going to relay information for you guys. And this one should definitely be on your radar. I'll leave all the links down below for you. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.